Do you like spring roll very much? Let's make spring roll with our machine. Step 1. Prepare ingredients. All-purpose flour, water, pinch of salt, and sometimes cornstarch. To make wrapper for spring roll, then use our mixer machine to mix dough fast. Step 2. Prepare for filling. You can use chopped vegetables finely: carrot, cabbage, beans, capsicum, onion, etc. Optionally add chicken, shrimp, or pork. Stir fry with garlic, ginger, soy sauce, pepper, and sesame oil. Step 3. Use our skin wrapper making machine to make wrapper skin fast. It can make skin in different shape as you want. Step 4. You have to roll. Take wrapper and filling things to make perfect roll. Step 5. You can use our hot air oven to fry it, or you can directly fry spring rolls until golden brown and crispy. Your spring roll ready. Now you serve to other with chili sauce, soy sauce, or sweet and sour dip. They will like very much. Thanks for watching.